Alright, so this is going to be a video on the Hunter Builder Elite that is installed in my bedroom in the mansion that I'm staying at. I'll be leaving this place tomorrow, sadly. Unfortunately, I can't get all the fans here just because there's so many of them. There's a lot of three-blade fans out on porches, one in the master, which I don't know which one that is. But unfortunately, obviously can't get to all of them because I have to be alone to record. That'd be weird to record in front of people. And this is the only one I can really have any real commentary and actually do it all 3 speeds. But I was able to get to what I could here. That was somewhat easy to get to while I was alone. So yeah, I showed this fan off. I'm not sure when this was built, and this fan was made. Get up on the bed for a top shot here, because as you can see, this is quite high up. These fans aren't the worst in the world, I have to say. They do their job okay. They're not the best either, because there's one in my friend's bedroom that actually works right, because this one has a bad capacitor, which I'll show you. I'll now demonstrate the ceiling fan. Low speed first. Yeah, this thing is pretty messed up. I've absolutely loved staying in this place, though. I wish my vacation didn't have to end tomorrow. It's kind of loud, too, unfortunately. Had it on its highest speed, which is actually medium. Bad capacitor fans tend to do that the first night, then I wake up at 6 in the morning, and it's really bugging the crap out of me. So yeah, that's low speed. I'll do what's essentially the medium. So I'll put it on in the high setting now. It gets barely faster. That's a shame, isn't it? Too bad I can't fix this thing. I'd love to, though, if given the opportunity. Whoa! Oh, I feel the air coming now. Good thing they have this little portable in here. I might do a little video on that, it may or may not. So yeah, I'll now do what's essentially the high speed. Yeah, this thing is such a piece of junk. Looks kind of like a 2000. It looks like a 2010 Hunter low speed right there. Because Hunter got pretty crappy. They're stepping up their game a little bit. Still not the greatest, though. Yeah, it looks like about a 2010 Hunter low speed. I feel a small amount of air coming from this. So yeah, guys, that's about it. I'll reverse it for y'all. I'm not gonna do it because it takes so long. Yeah, there you go, that's about it. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and have a great day.